Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set rating limits for incoming challenges on the chess.com app for Android. This feature helps you control who can challenge you based on their skill level. Whether you want stronger opponents or fairer matches, rating limits are a useful customization tool. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now choose Rating Limits, incoming to control who can send you challenges. Tap on Minimum and set the lowest rating of players who can challenge you. Then tap on Maximum and set the highest rating allowed for incoming challenges. Once you've selected your preferred range, go back or exit to save the settings automatically. Setting rating limits ensures you only receive challenges from players within your preferred skill range. This helps make your games more balanced and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.